Assalamualaikum. I am Smrity and welcome back to my channel. In previous episode I created login and registration functionality, and in this episode I will share with you how to store data in Cloud Firestore and retrieve the data in application, and also logout functionality. So let's get going. First of all, in the UI package, I am creating a new Dart file and giving its name sign up second screen. For time saving, I am copy this code and paste it here, and then I will change its widget name. For that, press Ctrl R, and I am replacing the home with sign up second. As you can see, if user successfully register, it redirect to home screen, but here should be sign up second screen so that user can put their information. I am changing it to sign up second screen. We have to import its file path. Let's import its file path manually. Now if I register a user, we can see it redirect to sign up second screen. Now let's build out its UI design. Our UI design done. Now I will create method for store users data in Cloud Firestore. I will take map to convert object in a string, dynamic for getting dynamic value, and then I am taking variable, and then in curly brace I will define all objects. Here would be all field name like name, phone number, address and country, and here would be value. Let's add all. So that is the data that we will add into our collection. Now I will define a method for store data in Cloud Firestore. So first I am taking Firebase Firestore instance, and then collection. Here I am specify my collection users. The collection will be automatically added in Cloud Firestore. Then add method, it will be add all data in Cloud Firestore. Let's try it's working or not. We can see it's redirect to home screen. Let's reload the Cloud Firestore. As we can see, users collection created and all fields. Now I will design home screen. Okay, so home screen's design done. Now I will retrieve the data from Cloud Firestore. Let's remove the network image. Here I am adding stream builder. It will continue to update the data. Here type would be query snapshot. Its stream would be Firebase Firestore instance. Dot collection. Here would be users collection that I created by add method, and then snapshot. In builder function, if snapshot dot has error, it will be return error message. I will use switch statement to get current connection state. In first case, if connection state dot waiting, then it will be show circular progress indicator. If connection state doesn't match with case bLoC, then default bLoC will be executed. Whenever we are default bLoC, will be return list view. Its children would be snapshot.data.docs.map. In map would be document snapshot. It's accessing the document directly even if no document exists. In Cloud Firestore, a snapshot will always be returned. It will be returned text widget for showing welcome message. As we can see red line, we have to convert map into a list. So I am adding to list. It's basically this name field. Now we can see welcome back with username. For adding logout functionality, I am creating 3 files: event, state and bLoC. First, let's define event. First, I will create abstract class for base class and I am giving its name logout event, and extends the equatable package. I will create a class for logout button pressed and extends the base class logout event. Let's override one missing method which comes from equatable package. Props will be returned an empty list. And now let's move on logout state. Here also would be abstract class as a base class. I am giving its name logout state and extends the equatable package. We need basically two states for logout initial and logout succeed. So let's create those. Let's move on logout bLoC. First, I am creating a class logout bLoC and extends the bLoC package. In type, we have to define logout event and state so that bLoC can access all events and states. Now let's override one missing method. In that class, first I will add user repository class. In map event to state method, I will define all event and states. If event is logout button pressed, then I will add first user repository to get sign out method, and then it will be yield logout succeed state. Now we have to provide the logout bLoC in main.dart file. Let's back to home screen. Here first I will initialize logout bLoC to provide the bLoC in UI. To get current state, I am returning bLoC listener. If state is logout succeed, it will be return container. Its child, I am adding bLoC builder to rebuild the UI. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't forget to comment below and make sure to subscribe my channel to get more amazing content. Happy coding!